The next two columns have an odd-looking value called Multip correction of mixture adaption and beep. Sounds like I'm chewing bubblegum. These are what you'd see in a standard OBD2 scan tool as long-term fuel trim values. The value here, very close to 1, is where the ECU is most happy. And that value would be telling you that the ECU isn't having to do any correction, or something is broken. And your O2 trims are turned off. When they're off, they're simply stuck at 1.00. So as long as they're a non-zero number, you can be pretty confident they're functioning.